Sino sa inyo? Alam mo ba anak, isa sa pinaka-common na tampuhan ng mag-asawa na may business ay kung sino ang dapat matuto ng bagong skill. Minsan nauwi pa sa pagtatalo. Ikaw na lang mag-attend. Hindi, ikaw naman. Ganyan ang nangyari kina Cheryl at Carlos. May grocery business sila at napansin nila mas dumadami ang customers who prefer online ordering. So they needed to learn digital marketing. May 3-day seminar na available pero hindi sila pwedeng sabay na mawala sa store. At isa pang tanong, sino ba ang dapat mag-focus sa marketing? For a time, business knowledge. Kaya I suggested this. Si Cheryl ang umattend ng seminar. Then gumawa siya ng simple notes and share them with Carlos. So they also set a weekly review night para pag-usapan ang learnings at i-apply sa negosyo. And next time na may bagong training or seminar, si Carlos naman ang pwedeng umattend. This way, both of them get to learn and feel involved. Anong resulta? Pareho silang naging confident sa digital marketing. At mas naging maayos pa ang operations kahit busy silang natututo. The lesson is this: learning does not have to be solo. So share knowledge, alternate opportunities, and grow together as a couple. Walang maiiwan, walang magre-resent. Kaya let's be business-minded Pinoy. And if you're ready to do better in your business, get your free starter kit. The link is in the comment section.